Welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, Robin. The habit of mindfulness meditation is an exercise for disciplining the mind and bringing calmness and serenity. There's no wrong way to start the habit, and there are many benefits. If you have headphones and are in a safe place, it can greatly improve the experience. Now, sit upright and relaxed. Rest your hands on your lap. Let your eyelids relax and droop to the point of nearly being closed. Or watch the video if you choose. Feel the breath at the tip of your nose as you breathe in and out. Don't work at it, just be aware of the feeling. There's no need to count your breaths, just feel. This is what you will bring your attention back to throughout the meditation. Today, we're meditating on willingness, examining relationships, and making preparations to make amends. Willingness is what happens when you're no longer desperate, but acting from a place of hope. At some point, willingness must replace desperation. Most types of recovery stem from a desperate desire to change the results our actions have gotten us to this point. If we weren't desperate for change, why would we try? Desperation alone cannot carry the burden of all that has to be done to get better results from our actions. This is an inside job. We must be willing to take action from a place of hope if we truly want the change that we say we want. There will be some things we need to be willing to do in order to accomplish this change. We want to ask for help. People in recovery tend to be loners, and this is one of the toughest things to do, is to admit to a need for help and be willing to ask for it. We should be willing to get treatment or attend support groups. To accept help where it is offered, we have to be willing to take up that offer. We should be willing to listen to others and to take their suggestions, remembering that those who have recovered know how it's done. We should be willing to spend time working on ourselves through therapy and support. We should also be willing to accept that pain is a part of the process. We should be willing to do what is necessary, like talking about our past, sharing hidden secrets with someone, like a priest, a therapist, or a trusted individual. That will release the weight of those dark secrets. We may need to be willing to separate from people who are not helping us in our recovery. We have to learn to recognize if someone close to us does not have our best interests in mind, and be willing to separate from them. We need to be willing to continue to ask for help regardless of how long we've been in recovery. No one gets through life without any help, so reaching out to someone else is one of the secrets of survival in recovery. We should be willing to do service for others, either at home, in the community, in our recovery groups, or in society at large. Giving back is how we start growing gratitude for the changes that we see. And in order to do that, We need to be willing to be of service to others. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, subscribe, share, and meditate. You can help support this effort through my Patreon page, Sitting with Nature. Thank you.